Here we have an HP Spectre laptop that came in for repair, and this one is the gem cut HP Spectre. I like to call it the diamond cut because of the corner shape, the shape of the corner. And one thing about those laptops is they come wrapped. Let me show you. They are plastic wrapped on the motherboard. The laptop comes like this with that plastic wrap. One thing I like about this plastic wrap is if there's any burnt component, any component that exploded, it will transfer over to that plastic wrap, and we will be able to quickly pinpoint the faulty component. And that's exactly what happened with this laptop. Let me show you quick. So I did not even need to do anything. No testing, no visual inspection except for looking at that plastic wrap. And look at this. You see how that plastic melted over those capacitors? So in 2 seconds, I was able to pinpoint where the problem is. And it looks like we may have 1, 2, 3, or 5 faulty capacitors. Who knows? We're going to have to find out. The problem may be the capacitor, or it may not. Meter in diode mode. And we're going to measure. We're going to measure here. And we have, oh, look at this. We had a 0 ohm short. Now, now that the capacitor is out, we do not have a short anymore. Before, when I measured, we heard that beep because we had a short. But now we do not have a short anymore. So we're done. How long did it take to fix this HP Spectre laptop, assuming that that's the only problem? We do not have a short, we do not have a short, we do not have a short, and we do not have a short. Before, we had a short on this cap. I was measuring the cap and it measured for a short, and then suddenly it just popped out because it's blown. It looks like we have 5 capacitors connecting in parallel. 1 cap out is not going to matter. It's not going to do anything. Those caps are used to filter. They are called bypass capacitors. So if you have 5 bodyguards protecting a person and 1 bodyguard called in sick, you still have that protection. It's very minimal as far as laptops go, and those capacitors are tiny. So the effect is next to nothing. The effect of having no cap. All we need to do now is power on the laptop. And I feel too optimistic, even though I should not. Sometimes problems are not that simple. Looks like Big Boss removed 2 cables. Okay, I do see the light right here. And I know you cannot see anything, but the light is on. And we want to wait to see something on the screen, because right now the screen is black. Fans are spinning. Both fans are spinning. And we have a picture. How long did it take? 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I spent the whole time talking, but how long did it take? We fixed it. I'm going to hand the laptop over to Big Boss to reassemble and test. I already tested, but he's going to have to test further. We're going to invoice and mail it back to the customer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video. I know a short video, but what can you do? We're gonna jump over to working on this laptop here. We need to get done today, Razer laptop. And I also have another one on my bench that we need to get done right here. And this one is, which laptop? Dell Alienware. Okay, so those are next. And we're done.